Wow. Just look at that view, man. Huge. These mountains are huge, man. Whoa, man. Jesus. Just look at that. That is the end of the world. Samne. We were just climbing up these stairs to Shiva Cafe. Suddenly tutty. Oh my god. Guys, we're at this cafe called Shiva Cafe. Raghav, how was the trip to Shiva Cafe?
Absolutely amazing.
It was amazing.
The journey was amazing.
Journey
but
was
it was tiring.
No, yeah, it was tiring. नहीं थोड़ी देर पहले तो it was not amazing according to you. It was fucking bad.
कौन बनाता है
कौन बनाता है कैफे इतनी हाइट पे? Tejas, how was your experience?
It was amazing.
Good, nice.